Switch, ignition on, out of gear, start button. Parking brake off, parking brake on. Perfect.
I'll do the fill up now, and then
okay.
We'll do the
tank fill. Pull.
Easy peasy.
All the way out.
And you know we got water. So she's still filling up. Can't overfill it, it'll come spitting out here somewhere. There we go. She's full.
This end, all the way in.
Water pump.
On the water pump right down there.
Okay, you want to drain that in the winter time?
Yeah. I put this inside all the time.
Inside, yeah.
Water up, but that's the drain.
Gotcha. That's where you drain it. Okay, sounds good.
It's had heaters all in there one time to plug in, but I don't think they work.
Oh, okay. Heaters don't work. No problem.
Go and do the operation of the.
Perfect. I'll go on the side.
Yeah.
This side, yeah.
Throw the water back into the pond because I'm going to empty this thing.
Yeah.
Transport, right?
Well, I'll let you fire it up and then I'll come out and just.
Yeah. So this is the pin to pull for the monitor. So that's how the monitor.
Oh yeah, there you go.
So that's the monitor up and down.
Up and down.
So I will engage this toggle switch here to pump mode, and that PTO light will come on.
Okay, PTO light.
In this mode, in the middle mode, it goes wide open.
Oh,
I do
okay.
not run it in that mode.
Okay.
I use the throttle.
Use the throttle,
You can
sounds
use
good.
the throttle, or you can use this. This will throttle up too. So when you're using the side reel,
Yeah.
I turn this on to power up that side reel.
Oh,
And
okay.
I'll do that later.
Okay, sounds
Okay.
good.
So we're in this mode here, all the way back, and then this trigger here, that one, there's only one, there's two, but only one works, that one there. That will trigger the monitor.
There we
So
go.
I'll put on the throttle.
She goes. Cool. Quite the blaze.
That off.
Flick
Obviously, you have to have your air built up for that to work.
Yeah.
And then you need to put this back into here. It'll come and hit you in the head
Okay.
when
Don't
you're driving.
want that
Has to go into there.
hitting you in the head. Perfect.
So I'll do the side reel now.
Okay.
So we'll put this back into that position.
Yeah.
Light comes on. So we'll throttle. We'll use this throttle here.
Perfect.
This gauge marginally works. It's got a crack in it, but so that's enough for the side reel. You could, if you want more of the side reel, you could put it in the middle, and that's wide open.
Wide open.
Yeah. So we'll go around it.
More pressure. Sounds good. There you go. Nice. Diamond back in. Just tethering the button. And she's in.
Good. I'll turn the pump off now.
Now turn the pump off. Back to the same procedure. This is one of the side compartments. There was a power washer in here previously. This is the little winch. There you go. Oh, super cool.
Switch here. That way.
There we go. You can winch out a pressure washer. Or anything else. And make sure you turn it off.
Brake off.
Pump and roll.
Actually, I'll do, we'll just do normal driving. Normal driving. I'm just gonna go up here and we'll spray some water on the grass. I don't waste it. Put it on dust control. So, neutral. Switch back. Pin out. Redundant switch on to that position, all the way over to the right. This on.
Driving. There he goes. Dust controlling.
Yeah, that's what I use it for.
slip it back in.
This is the windshield wipers.
Oh, nice. Air operated.
Yeah. Should be somewhere. You gotta remember where the other one is, tell you the truth.
There's another one.
I'll figure that out. I thought they both went in actually, but I'm not too sure why they don't both go on. Huh. I don't know. So what else? I think that's about it.
Yeah. It's a lot of other switches. So these are all.
These are pretty well. The light, dome lights, front lights.
Yeah.
Emergency lights. We can figure that out.
Oh yeah, these are compartment lights. All lights.
Some
Oh,
of that
okay.
might or may not work.
Yeah.
That position either. I don't believe the engine. Right. So you have to have that switch that way. Neutral.
Okay.
So, and then shut it off. Ignition switch there, and there.
There you go. Night switch.
So, there, start. Break off.
Reverse. Okay, do not pull the emergency stop unless you have a runaway.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
That's what it's for. If you have a runaway into Detroit, that's what you want to pull.
Yeah, but you don't want to pull it when you're unloading it.
No. You got to go back into the engine compartment and reset the blower.
Reset it, yeah.
It's simple to do, but if somebody was to pull that, push it down,
Yeah.
and not tell you how they shut it down, you'd be cranking for a long time.
Yeah, I remember you telling me that.
So,
Okay, good.
That's just something that didn't happen to me, but it happened to the person who located it to me.
Yeah. Okay. These are all empty compartments.
This is for long hoses in here.
Long hose storage.
Well, that's what I put in mine. They put a ladder in there.
You can actually fill it from the top as well.
Cut the tape. Right there. A little stuck. So this is. So you fill it from there. This is the powder that came with it.
Oh, the nitrogen.
No, this is actually for the foaming agent, which doesn't work.
Okay.
Like, they used to have an injection thing.
Yeah.
I just dump, like, if you're using foam or something, I just dump it in that hole. I never did figure this out. So this down there. The screen is just for you don't put anything down there that
Yeah.
you don't want. I've used that before on.
It's for dry chemical.
I think it's still in there, but that does not work. And that's the engine.
Engine compartment. Perfect.